Okay, so today we're going to look at the ANSLAB analysis of idling startle. First step, always we start up MATLAB and type ANSLAB. But before we even start analyzing the startle, we need to extract the timing information. We need to extract the markers from the file so that we can then jump from marker to marker and analyze the startle there. So the first analysis type will not be startle, but will be marker, the analysis. So now we set the analysis type to startle, and we open the ACQ file. Okay. Alright, and so here we jump to the first startle, and that's actually a nice startle. So here you see the trigger, 20 milliseconds trigger. That's the raw EMG, which is then low-pass filtered and rectified, so any negative deflections are turned upwards. And it's probably also, no, it's smoothed down here. And so the green lines indicate where the baseline is placed. And I think the blue dot is the onset. Onset is determined on here in the startle module. We have several options. If it looks fine, we just hit accept. But there's actually 3 other options that we could pick. A zero startle is a non-existing startle, and it's better if it's not there to hit 0, because then you can later decide what you do with them. Compared to when you hit accept on a zero startle, you get sort of negative values or really small values that you then later cannot really distinguish from the other good startles. And then there's invalid startles, and there's several cases why a startle can be invalid. It can be too early, it can be too late, it can be overlaid by movement or other artifacts, and that's really an art, but the ANSLAB help really describes pretty good what invalid is, and also the methods paper in psychophysiology on startle goes into some detail about when the startle is invalid and when it should be scored to 0. I'll go into detail right now about that. So for this case we just hit accept, and it goes ahead and just jumps to the next startle.